Motherfucking city right now, Slim. Look at this shit. Look.
You know, I think
we out here fighting for equality, fighting for peace.
Power like the power of the people, and the power of the people don't stop. Ain't no power like the power of the people, and the power of the people. How do we respect you if you can't respect us? We are not people who are not reasonable. We are not people who are against dialogue. We are not people who are against change. People, we have the power. People, we need to get strong. People, we need to unite.